Welcome! Today I am with BeBird Smart Visual Ear Cleaning Root, and I'll show you the quick unboxing of this device. So at first I'm going to remove this foil. Okay, and as you can see, when you take a look on the back of this box, we can find the product name, model, manufacturer and the contact data. So let's open the box. Okay, there's nothing more. Here we can find the user manual. It was at the bottom out of this plastic box. Here we got the quick guide how to pair with the smartphone. Of course, you can find the video on our channel how to pair it with your phone. And here we can find the device itself. USB-C cable. And basically that's all. So let me just take a look on this device. Okay, so there's our cleaning root with this ear spoon. Apply. If you want to charge, you have to plug cable right here. And just take a look on the indicator. So in most cases, when it will be highlighted on the green, it means that the device is fully charged. So let's close this one. And what we can find here. Okay, in this place we can find other accessories. We can find here the different spoons that we can attach to the main device. So we got 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different spoons. And it's magnetic open right here. And the quality is not bad. So, what I can say more? If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.